Let's be honest, baby will probably not like tummy time right from the start. And no one expects you to put your 2-week-old on the ground and be a tummy time pro. But how can you help your baby to like it? We'll show you tips for your 2-week-old baby and how tummy time changes as baby gets stronger, all reviewed by expert pediatric physical therapists. Here are the skills baby should reach by 2 weeks old in tummy time. Spends time in tummy to tummy, tummy down carry, and lap soothe positions. Lifts head briefly to clear nose from the surface. Attempts tummy time on the floor. The goal here is just to get baby used to being on their tummy at this age. Many parents like tummy to tummy for their newborn because it lets you be face to face with baby and enjoy lots of cuddles. Other great newborn tummy time positions include lap soothe and tummy down carry, also known as the football carry. To do the lap soothe, place baby tummy down across your legs with your thighs touching. You can gently rub baby's back with one hand to reassure them and make it more enjoyable for baby. For the tummy down carry, place one hand between their legs and under their tummy. Your other hand can either be placed gently on their back for additional support or under your supporting arm. Try giving baby some extra tummy time while you're sitting on the couch. Place baby with their tummy on your chest and their head over one shoulder. Then lean back slowly so baby works to keep their head off your shoulder. Yes, this counts as tummy time. The lower you go, the more difficult it is for baby. Sit up straight to give them a break. Here's a review of the tummy time skills for 2-week-old babies. Get access to our whole library of videos like this one in our Baby Milestones app, plus a timer to help track baby's tummy time. If you want more information, check out our video for new parents on all things tummy time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other social media accounts in the description below. It's never too early or too late to get baby on the right pathway.